All right, so after we left the art gallery, we walked across town to the local library. The local library is insane, y'all. Like, there's nice stained glass windows, there's a cafe, there's more than one story. My cousin Quentin works at the library, and she took us on the tours that anybody would be allowed to go on. I didn't realize that libraries do tours. Anyway, she was kind of showing us what she used to handle with the old maps of Australia and other places around the world. It was really cool to learn about. I'm like, do all libraries do this? Anyways, after we left the library, we headed over to the Hyatt to go to lunch. Not ideal for me, but my grandma and her friend were really excited about it. I had a beetroot juice. They had cappuccinos. My grandma had a salad. I had a burger and fries, and her friend literally eats like a bird, so she had mixed vegetables. Anyways, after we left the Hyatt, we got back on the bus and we went home for the day.